Hi everyone, today we will find assets for our basketball court and also make it transparent for our use. Let's find our assets. Where to get free assets? I like this website named freepik.com. I like this because it's free and we can just give credit if we want to use it for free. But you can also pay for a premium account and it's very cheap. The best thing from Freepik is you can filter what you want to find, like free resources and factors. We will find for factor because we want to edit it to make the image transparent. Okay, let's find basketball court. Choose whatever you want, but in this kind of structure, we will only use half court. I already choose my assets, so you can choose yours. The asset that I am using is not available in basketball court keyword, but in basketball. Let's see. This is the one that I use. I already cut it to half, and I will show you the cut version. So I organize my assets like this because I just used this temporarily, but you need to organize it better. Basically, this is full court that I download from Freepik. I take the ring image and also half of the board. Why is that? It's because if we throw the ball and it goes to the back of the board right here, we don't want to see the ball, right? Because the ball is behind the board. But we want it to be in the front of the board right here. That's why I cut it into half. You can cut it using any software you want. I'm using Affinity Designer because it's cheap and one-time payment. That's it for the assets. Now we can import it into Unity project. Let's open our current project, this one, and create folder, name court, for example, maybe, and just drag and drop all of it to our project. There. And we can just drag it into the scene like this. And let's say you want to snap it. Remember, you can choose move and then activate the snap and move it like this. And we can resize it too because it's too small right now. Using rectangle. Hold shift to maintain the ratio. And let's see, our ball is too big for our ring right now. Let's make it a little bigger. A little more bigger. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay, good. And now we can also put our ring into the scene. And we can use the same scale right here and copy it to our ring. So it becomes the same size. And then just give the right position like that. Don't forget to save your progress. And now we just need to move our half board to the scene. And you can see apparently it's showing behind our full court. So for now we can just order in layer like this. Just set it to 1 because the other is 0. And again apply the scale. Set the position. I don't quite like this positional system for Unity. I like it better on Blender. I'm having a hard time just to put the right position if we need to be exact. Okay, I think this is good enough, right? Save it again. And that's it for now. In the next video, we will set up the ground collision, board collision, and also the ring collision, so our ball can bounce on the board and the ring and the ground, make it more realistic. If you like this kind of video series, please do like and subscribe. You'll find more and more complete project tutorials later. I also have Patreon if you'd like to support me in doing more of this. I'll leave the link in the video description. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.